always need bathroom trash bags. 150 in the box. These are the kind of bags you don't think about until you run out of them and you realize how much you like them. These, I like that they have the drawstring. I like the ample supply, 150, and I have it in my bathroom garbage can, okay? 15 liters. The drawstring handles make it so much easier to tie and then quickly carry. Good size for the bathroom garbage can. And the bags pull out of the box so easily. What I usually do is I take 2 or 3 out, stick it in the bottom of the can so I don't have to keep going back to the box. Multi-purpose use beyond trash. You can store, you can organize. There's so many uses. And these are designed to prevent leakage. The bottom of the bag is actually reinforced, which is really nice. And again, 150, the pack is ample, so you're not constantly restocking. Highly, highly recommend. This review is sponsored by the brand.